Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2004 to 2010 Kia Sportage? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2004 to 2010 Kia Sportage is designed to protect major engine, lighting, and electrical circuits. It contains essential fuses and relays that ensure proper operation of critical vehicle systems. Its layout allows easy access for inspection, troubleshooting, and quick fuse replacement. The sub-panel in the engine compartment, diesel only, for the 2004 to 2010 Kia Sportage provides added protection for diesel-specific electrical components. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2004 to 2010 Kia Sportage protects interior electrical systems such as the dashboard, audio, lighting, and climate controls. It organizes fuses for passenger convenience and safety. Its accessible location allows quick inspection and easy fuse replacement. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.